Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Walmart Rewards Card online, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Walmart website. Once on the home page, locate the account icon in the top right corner. Click on the account icon to reveal the drop-down menu. Select the Sign In option from the menu. Enter your email address associated with your Walmart account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Once both fields are filled, click on the Sign In button to access your account. After logging in, look for the Walmart Rewards Cards section on your account page. Click on this section to begin the authentication process. You will be prompted to enter your Walmart Rewards Card number. Locate your physical card and carefully input the number in the provided field. Next, enter any additional information requested, such as your personal details. After filling in all required fields, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Authenticate button to complete the process. You should see a confirmation message indicating successful authentication. If there are any issues, check the details entered for errors. If needed, consider reaching out to Walmart customer support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated your Walmart Rewards Card online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.